Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to shout out on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the camera icon on top left corner. Now tap on Create. And here you will see many options. Now swipe right or left to browse through the options. For Shoutout, select the second one. And if you tap on the dice icon at the top of the screen, you can go through the templates. I'll just select a template randomly. You can type in the username of your friend, or you can tap on the profile picture from the suggestions. When you have tagged your friend, a story with your friend will pop up, and you can reposition and resize it as you like. When you are done, tap next on bottom right corner and tap share. And that's how you can do shoutout on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.